Hello, everyone, on this beautiful Saturday. And for an instant dopamine increase for any photographer or film developer out there, here you go. All right. No, but that's not actually what we came here to talk about. What we came here to talk about is the pc35af-m, also known as this bad boy right here, and why do I think that it's, in my opinion, the best point and shoot camera there is? And what even is a point and shoot camera? Let me explain it to you. Basically, in my mind, I don't know the textbook definition of what a point and shoot camera is, but through my understanding, it's a 35 millimeter camera where you just, let me show you. Insert the film right here. Well, no, right here. Put a little thing in here, let it spin around. Exactly. That's my definition of point and shoot. And it's an electric camera, meaning that most of them run on almost all of point and shoot cameras run on batteries. And you can't adjust the settings on them. You can't zoom in, zoom out. The only thing that you can pretty much change on this camera is the ISO. And that's about it. That's all you can really change on this camera is the ISO. And with that being said, why do I think that it's the best camera for point and shooting? Because see, unlike most other cameras, it's just, well, I'll give you a few reasons as to why. Well, one of my reasons is the viewfinder. Let me see if you guys are able to see the viewfinder. It's viewfinder time. Let's go. All right, let's see if y'all can see it. I think y'all can see the viewfinder. Let me make sure y'all can see it. See, look how cool it is. How cool it is. Y'all can see the little center of the camera and everything like that. And not a whole lot of point and shoot cameras have that. Not a whole lot of cameras in general have that, let alone point and shoot cameras. And it's just so creative the way that they were capable of making a viewfinder that looks like that. And another reason as to why I love this camera so much is the flash. Y'all ever tried shooting film at night? It's a nightmare for most mechanical cameras because most mechanical cameras don't even pick up on light unless there's some kind of flash or something like that. But this camera is just so convenient for it because look, watch. Just pull out this little lever right here. What? And okay, flash warning. All right. So when you shoot, it's gonna look like this. I'll do it one more time for the people in the back. Look how, like, you would be able to see clearly what's going on even at night. Like, no matter how much you change the ISO, it might not be perfect at night using a mechanical camera compared to using this kind of camera that has this kind of flashlight. It's not like, for example, even though I really love the simplicity of the Kodak Ektar as I've talked about in the previous video, it would be absolutely nothing compared to this kind of camera. Because with this, the flash is just so, it's just everywhere. It's just so big too. And just like, it's going to capture everything, even at night or even at day. It doesn't matter what day it is or what hour. Like, it's going to do its thing. You know what I'm saying? It's going to do its thing. And the third reason why I like it is it's inexpensive. It's inexpensive value. So what this camera is, right? I found this camera at Marietta Square. Marietta Square inside of a record shop somewhere in there. Maybe links in the description if I can remember what it was, right? And don't mind me, right? just walking right past the vinyl and everything like that. My girlfriend turns my head. She was like, look, there's cameras. And I'm like, I chose the least expensive one, and guess which one I found? $75 too. $75 for a camera is not bad. Most people are 150, 200, 300, 400. That's not even including the lenses some of the times. Like with most SLRs, which is single lens reflexes, just a camera with one lens, right? Most of those cameras, they are really expensive when it comes to buying different things and accessories for them, lenses and blah 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 blah. But with this point and shoot camera, you get your money's worth for $75 for a, first of all, for a camera that not only has a flash, but a camera that has a really really cool viewfinder in an ISO setting. Most point and shoot cameras are not doing that. They're not doing that. Not at this level. Not at this level. And when you take that into account, you're just like, why not? Yeah, it's just a really cool camera for as much as it's worth. In my opinion, I think it's the best point and shoot camera like ever. Not even the ones that I've used. It's just the best point and shoot camera in my opinion. If you want to get started in photography and film development and everything, film shooting, whatever, that's your boy. That is your boy. You know what I'm saying? But anyways, it's a wrap. You know what I'm saying? The pc35af-m. Thank you guys for staying to the end of this video. And if you like the video, you know, and if you, even if you don't like it, maybe you can tell me what I did wrong. Maybe just, you know, communicate with me upon like what I could have done better, and I'll make sure to work on that. Thank you all for watching this, and I hope you all have a beautiful day. See ya.